In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an instrumental in Suno AI 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple idea to a polished instrumental track using Suno's streamlined creation flow. Start by logging into Suno on your browser. Once you're in, head to the Create section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a few options, but for this quick method, make sure the custom toggle is turned off. With custom off, you're using the simplified prompt-based mode, which is perfect when you want Suno to handle the heavy lifting from a clear, plain English description. If you accidentally leave custom on, you'll see extra fields and controls that aren't necessary for this walkthrough. Now add your song description. Think of this as your creative brief. Keep it short but specific. Describe the mood, style, and the instruments you want to hear. You can mention the general tempo and energy like slow and dreamy or fast and high energy. You might include genre and era references such as modern lo-fi hip-hop or 80s synthwave, and list a few key elements: warm pads, plucky synth arpeggios, punchy drums, gentle piano, deep bass. A concise 2 to 3 sentences works great. The more concrete your adjectives and instrument choices, the more likely you'll get exactly what you imagine. If you're unsure about tempo numbers, descriptive words like mellow, driving, groovy, or cinematic are totally fine. Next, select the instrumental option. This tells Suno to generate music without vocals, so you won't hear singing or lyrical content in the result. If you've written a prompt that might imply vocals, the instrumental setting overrides that and keeps it purely musical. When you're happy with the description and instrumental is selected, click Create. Suno will process your prompt and produce a track, often with multiple variations to preview. Give each a careful listen on speakers or headphones. If the energy feels off, return to your description and adjust a few words. Swap epic for intimate, change quirky to minimal, or specify different instruments like strings instead of brass. Small wording tweaks can dramatically shift the result. That's it. Log in, open Create, turn custom off, write a clear description, choose instrumental, and click Create. Experiment, iterate on your prompt, and let Suno do the rest. If this was helpful, try a few different styles back to back to learn how your phrasing shapes the sound and enjoy crafting your next instrumental.